Hey there, welcome back to my channel, it's me, the Mind Injector. Today we've got some electrifying insights to share about Palantir, the tech juggernaut that's causing quite a stir in the realms of data and artificial intelligence. In this video we're delving into why Palantir should be on every investor's radar. From their visionary CEO to their AI supremacy and flourishing customer base, there's a lot to uncover. So stick around because we're about to embark on a captivating journey into the world of Palantir. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. Before we dive into this video guys, I've got some exciting news for you. I want to introduce you to Moomoo Financial. If you open a brokerage account with Moomoo and deposit at least $1 using the link in the description, you'll get a chance to draw a free stock worth up to $2,000. But that's not all. If you make a net deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive not just one, but 5 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. Plus, free premium courses to help you sharpen your investing skills. And if you're really serious about investing, you can deposit $1,000 or more and get a whopping 15 free stocks, bringing your potential earnings to a staggering $30,000. So, sign up for a Moomoo brokerage account using the link in the description and start earning those free stocks. Now, let's jump into the main content of this video. Let's commence with a deep dive into Palantir's CEO Alex Karp. He's not your run-of-the-mill CEO. He's audacious, confident and unafraid to set ambitious goals. Karp boldly declared that Palantir's AI strategy is to just take the whole market, a statement that stands out in the fiercely competitive AI arena. Could Karp's audacity become a reality? Let's find out. Why am I optimistic? Well, Wedbush analyst Dan Ives likens Palantir to the Messi of AI. Ives contends that Palantir has constructed an AI fortress that's unparalleled and poised for a pivotal role in the AI revolution. He predicts a potential surge of over 70% in Palantir's share price, reaching $25. That's substantial growth potential. It's not just what analysts are saying, it's what customers are doing. Palantir's AI platform is a hit, offering access to top-notch machine learning capabilities and industry-leading risk controls. Notably, the US military and other government entities are joining forces with Palantir for data and analytics endeavors. Palantir recently secured a multi-year contract with the US Special Operations Command, worth up to $463 million, a substantial deal. But it's not solely the government. Corporations are also turning to Palantir. Novartis, a pharmaceutical giant, collaborates with Palantir to supercharge drug development efforts. The numbers are compelling. Palantir's customer count jumped 38% year-over-year to 421 in second quarter, with revenue increasing by 13% to $533 million. Additionally, Palantir's billings surged by 52% to $603 million. That's remarkable momentum. Palantir's profitability is the cherry on top. They reported an operating profit of $10 million in second quarter and generated significant cash flow, including $285 million in adjusted free cash flow in first half of 2023. With $3.1 billion in cash and investments, Palantir is not just thriving, it's flourishing. In fact, Palantir is so confident in its growth trajectory that they've launched a stock buyback program of up to $1 billion, a resounding statement of belief in their future. Now, let's add another layer to this compelling story. On August 31, Cathie took the opportunity to invest in Palantir. Wood bought just over $10 million worth of Palantir shares across her flagship ARK Innovation ETF, ARK FinTech Innovation ETF, and ARK Next Generation Internet ETF. Her vote of confidence came at a time when Palantir faced challenges, including a Morgan Stanley downgrade and lowered price target due to concerns about valuation and revenue generation from artificial intelligence offerings. Cathie Wood's actions often speak volumes, and her decision to invest in Palantir during this period reflects her optimism about the company's long-term prospects. It's a move that aligns with her investment philosophy of seizing opportunities when others might hesitate. Also, in a move that has raised questions about government contracts, Palantir secured a £27 million deal with the UK Cabinet Office to process border and customs data post-Brexit. This contract came after meetings between Palantir CEO Alex Karp and senior UK officials, including a discussion with John Manzoni, the former head of the UK Civil Service. Minutes from the meetings indicated that Palantir aimed to expand its work in the public sector, especially in healthcare and fraud detection. Critics argue that Palantir's success in securing these contracts is tied to its lobbying efforts and the land and expansion strategy, which involves offering free trials or £1 contracts before raising prices. While supporters argue that such strategies are common, concerns about transparency and competition persist. If you invested in Palantir stock earlier this year when it was trading around its lows, it's probably not a bad idea to take some gains and recoup your initial investment, given how much the stock has run up. However, as a long-term investor, my suggestion would be to hang on to the bulk of your position. Taking short-term profits at the expense of long-term gains is not a strategy that I suggest. Also, Bank of America analyst Mariana Perez Mora has reaffirmed the buy rating on Palantir, citing the company's potential to benefit from the growing demand for secure AI solutions. Palantir's unique position as an enabler of AI implementation in both commercial and government sectors, with a focus on agnostic GenAI solutions, is seen as underappreciated by the market. Despite a recent stock pullback, Perez Mora believes there is significant upside potential, setting a price target of $18. The company's recently launched AI platform is expected to meet the increasing demand for secure data infrastructure, attracting both new and existing customers. Palantir's strong relationships with government service providers, notably the US Department of Defense, further solidify its industry position. Potential catalysts include a contract with the UK's National Health Service and potential inclusion in the S&P 500 index, which could attract institutional investors and reduce volatility. As of now, the initial demand around Palantir's AI suite is encouraging, but I think investors have yet to see the full potential and impact this can have on its financial profile. For this reason, I do not think the AI hype is fully reflected in Palantir stock, despite its somewhat rich valuation when compared to other competitors. While Morgan Stanley's research suggests a more conservative price target, I don't believe that waiting around for a massive pullback is prudent. The tech world is buzzing with anticipation, and for good reason. Palantir is on a remarkable trajectory, and the future appears exceedingly promising. This is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.